For my last web tool, I decided to use Google Sites because we have used this so much throughout the semester for each of our projects, and I think this is a really great website to use as a student or a teacher. So it's really, really simple. You just hit create and go into new sites. Load, okay. So you get to pick your theme, which is really cool. This is the one that I usually use because I just think it looks very professional and it looks like I like the font, I like the color. So let's say we're doing a project called Project 3, like this one. So Project 3, and you get to make a bunch of different pages. So you have your home page, and then you click down here to add another page. So we'll do Google Docs. So let's say you have to make a page all about Google Docs. You can double click and you get this little circle here so you can add images, upload something from your drive or do a URL, or you could do a text box. So you just click that and then you just type anything about Google Docs. So we can do another page, Google Sites. We'll click and you write something about Google Sites. And what's really neat is if you want to upload an image, all you have to do is go on to Google and you can copy the URL and type it in here. And then your image pops up. So let's say I want to do the Google or the Twitter, since it's already up here anyway. I copy it, URL, insert that, and then here is your photo. You can center it however you'd like. I mean, obviously this is not for Google Sites, but just to show you what it's like. So you go, let's do insert. You can grab videos from YouTube. Again, all you have to do is copy the embed link and it's right there. This website is really great for integrating technology because you're creating your own website basically. You're creating your own portfolio or project, whatever you're doing, and it could be used not only in the classroom, but you can use it for a business or anything else. If you wanted to use it for something personal, you could do that as well. I really, really, really enjoyed using this website throughout the semester for all the projects. I used it with my group for the first one and then on my own the last two projects. And at first it was a little confusing for me. I didn't really understand how to use it, but now I'm currently working on my last project and this is the video for it. And I just think it's really, really great and it's really easy to use. And you could definitely use it for anything outside the classroom or even in the classroom. Your students can use it for a project, or you can use it as a teacher for any type of lesson that you're doing. And it's really neat and it's really simple. And it's great because you don't have to hit save or anything. It saves automatically, which is what all the Google, Google Docs, Google Sites, they all do that, which is great. So what I do to easily access this website, I take, you can't really see it because of the screencast, but I drag the tab to my desktop and you have the desktop, like on your desktop, you have the URL for it and you just click on it and boom, it's right there in front of you. I'll definitely be using this in my classroom. I'll be using it to assign projects, just like we did this semester. I'll be using it for certain lessons. Let's say we're reading a book, and I'll do each page as like a summary of a chapter, and I'll add pictures from the book, and it'll really help the students out because they'll be able to see it and they can create their own um, website. So it'll be really great for them to use and they could definitely use it in the future.